Hey there, science fans! Bill Nye here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of solar energy. Specifically, we're talking about how those sleek solar panels on your roof handle the ever-changing moods of Mother Nature. Whether you're a homeowner considering solar, a student curious about renewable energy, or just a fan of awesome science, understanding how weather affects solar panel output is crucial. It helps us make informed decisions about energy consumption, predict energy generation, and appreciate the resilience of this incredible technology. So, buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of solar power in all kinds of weather. From sunny skies to snowy days, we'll uncover the science behind solar's performance and bust some myths along the way. Get ready to become a solar weather whiz. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of weather effects, let's refresh our understanding of how solar panels work their magic. The key ingredient? Light! But not just any light. We're talking about sunlight, which is packed with energy-carrying particles called photons. These photons are like tiny packets of energy traveling from the sun to the earth. When they reach the surface of a solar panel, they bring with them the potential to generate electricity. It's a fascinating process that starts with the sun's rays and ends with powering your home. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, usually silicon-based, that act like tiny photon-powered power plants. These cells are meticulously designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy. Think of them as the heart of the solar panel, tirelessly working to harness the sun's power. When sunlight hits these cells, the photons knock electrons loose from the silicon atoms. This might sound like a small event, but it's actually the beginning of a powerful chain reaction. The freed electrons create an electrical current, which is then harnessed and directed to power various devices and appliances. This creates an electrical current, the same kind that powers your home. Imagine the journey of these electrons, from being part of a silicon atom to lighting up your living room. It's a seamless transition from sunlight to electricity, all thanks to the photovoltaic cells. The more photons hit the solar panel, the more electrons are set free, and the more electricity is generated. Pretty cool, right? This means that on a bright, sunny day, your solar panels are working at their maximum potential, capturing as much sunlight as possible to generate electricity. This process, known as the photovoltaic effect, is the fundamental principle behind solar energy. It's a simple yet powerful concept that has revolutionized the way we think about energy production. By understanding the photovoltaic effect, we can better appreciate the technology behind solar panels and their role in sustainable energy. Now you might be thinking, but Bill, what about cloudy days? Do solar panels still work then? It's a common question and an important one. After all, the sun isn't always shining brightly, and weather conditions can vary greatly. Great question. The answer is a resounding yes, but the amount of electricity generated might vary. On cloudy days, the sunlight is diffused, meaning the photons are scattered and less concentrated. However, solar panels are designed to capture even this diffused light and convert it into electricity. While the efficiency might be lower compared to a sunny day, your solar panels are still hard at work, ensuring a steady supply of energy. Let's explore why. It's no surprise that solar panels are happiest when the sun is shining bright. The sun is the ultimate source of energy for these panels, and when it's out in full force, the panels can truly shine. Direct sunlight provides the most intense source of photons, allowing solar panels to operate at peak efficiency. These photons are the tiny particles of light that carry energy from the sun to the solar panels. When these photons hit the solar cells, they knock electrons loose from their atoms, generating a flow of electricity. Think of it like this. A sunny day is like giving your solar panels a big energy drink. Just as an energy drink can give you a boost, the sun's rays give solar panels the energy they need to produce electricity. The more sunlight they receive, the more electricity they can generate. On these glorious days, the photovoltaic cells are bombarded with photons, maximizing electron flow and electricity production. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect, and it's what makes solar panels work. The more photons that hit the cells, the more electrons are knocked loose, and the more electricity is produced. This is when you'll see your solar panels working at their full potential, potentially even sending excess energy back to the grid and earning you some credits. When your solar panels produce more electricity than you need, the excess can be sent back to the grid, where it can be used by others. This not only helps to reduce your electricity bill, but it also helps to reduce the overall demand for electricity from non-renewable sources. However, even on sunny days, factors like the angle of the sun, temperature, and shade can influence output. The angle of the sun changes throughout the day and throughout the year, and this can affect how much sunlight hits the panels. Temperature can also play a role, as solar panels are less efficient at higher temperatures. And of course, shade from trees, buildings, or other objects can block sunlight from reaching the panels. But generally, sunny days equal happy solar panels and a boost to your clean energy generation. When the sun is shining, your solar panels can produce a significant amount of electricity, helping to reduce your reliance on non-renewable energy sources and lower your carbon footprint. So, soak up the sun and watch your solar panels work their magic. There's something truly satisfying about seeing your solar panels hard at work, converting sunlight into electricity that you can use to power your home or business. It's a beautiful thing to witness the power of nature being harnessed to power our lives. Solar energy is a clean, renewable source of power that can help to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and combat climate change. By installing solar panels, you're not only saving money on your electricity bills, but you're also making a positive impact on the environment. So next time you see the sun shining, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of solar energy. Don't despair when clouds roll in. Many people think that solar panels are only effective on bright, sunny days, but that's a common misconception. While it's true that solar panels perform best under direct sunlight, they can still generate a significant amount of electricity on cloudy days. In fact, solar panels are designed to capture a broad spectrum of light, not just the direct rays of the sun. Remember, it's all about the photons. Photons are the tiny particles of light that solar panels convert into electricity. Even on cloudy days, photons are still present in the atmosphere. While clouds may diffuse sunlight, they don't completely block it. This means that even when the sky is overcast, your solar panels are still receiving light, albeit in a more scattered form. Photons still reach your solar panels, although in lower quantities than on sunny days. This is why solar panels can still produce electricity even when the weather isn't perfect. This means your panels will continue to produce electricity, albeit at a reduced rate. The efficiency might drop, but it doesn't come to a halt. The level of cloud cover plays a major role in determining energy output. Different types of clouds have varying effects on the amount of sunlight that reaches your panels. Thin, wispy clouds might only cause a slight dip in production, allowing your solar panels to continue working almost as efficiently as on a clear day, while thick, overcast skies will have a more noticeable impact. Heavy clouds can significantly reduce the amount of light that penetrates through, but they don't completely eliminate it. But rest assured, your solar panels are still hard at work. They are designed to be resilient and adaptable to different weather conditions. So the next time you see a cloudy day, don't think of it as a solar power outage. Instead, consider it a temporary dip in production. Think of it as your solar panels taking a little siesta while still contributing to a greener future. Even on their off days, they are still making a positive impact on the environment by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering your carbon footprint. And let's not forget, solar panels are built to withstand various weather conditions, including rain and storms. They are durable and designed to last for decades, providing you with clean energy regardless of the weather. Regular maintenance and cleaning can also help ensure that your solar panels are operating at their best. even on cloudy days. Keeping them free of debris and dirt allows them to capture as much light as possible. Additionally, many solar systems are equipped with battery storage, which means that excess energy generated on sunny days can be stored and used during cloudy periods. This helps to balance out the fluctuations in energy production. Modern technology also allows you to monitor your solar energy production in real time through apps and smart home systems. This way, you can see exactly how much energy your panels are generating, even on cloudy days. Community solar projects and shared energy grids are also great ways to maximize the benefits of solar energy, regardless of individual weather conditions. By pooling resources, communities can ensure a more stable and reliable energy supply. The future of solar technology is bright, with ongoing advancements aimed at improving efficiency and performance in all weather conditions. Innovations like bifacial panels, which capture light from both sides, and solar tracking systems, which follow the sun's path, are just a few examples. Education and awareness campaigns are also crucial in dispelling myths about solar energy and cloudy weather. By understanding how solar panels work, more people can make informed decisions about adopting this sustainable energy source. So, embrace the clouds and continue to support solar energy. Your panels are doing their part to create a cleaner, greener world, one photon at a time.